amazingly got on top of the step. I cleared a little bit of path there, but our neighbor's car is under there somewhere. I have no idea. Man, that is buried. And they're not going to get the car into the garage soon. This is Monday morning, still recovering. There's the neighbor's car under there somewhere. I haven't got a whole lot down at the front because I think the plow's going to probably drive right back into me. It's quite warm though. Neighbor's car, looking at it from the other side now. Here's the neighbor's car. Good luck. Standing in a blown out driveway. It's the only way I can get out. Incredible.